Hey viewers, D-Doc here, out on the ABATE of Nebraska District 15 annual fun run. We're at the first stop on our run, second stop. Thought we'd watch the bikes come in. Pretty good turnout today so far. Weather's being real nice. That's half of them. It's always the fast half. Pretty soon the slower half will show up. Well, I think you get the point for now. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching and commenting. Oh, I hear the second crowd coming. We might as well wait till they make it around the corner. Even got some cars in our lineup. Ride them, drive them, we don't care. Bring your unicorn. Everybody's welcome. See you later.